to the channel, guys. Good Vibration Thailand. I'm here with my special friend Michelle. She's from California, and we're here at the Sanctuary of Truth. And the reason why it's so special is because of Michelle's background. She is the CEO and founder of Cielo Sober Living and Spiritual Retreat in Palm Springs. Today's visit is going to be on a higher vibration because it is spiritual. Now, this place is actually created by an architect, a Thai businessman that had the idea of developing and building not only a castle, but also a temple.
Yes.
So it also shares the beliefs and the cultures of the Buddhism and Hinduism culture here in Thailand. So are you excited?
I am so excited.
Why are you excited?
Because I get to experience the beauty and grace and the architecture that went into this kind of a sacred place with you, and share with whoever is interested in learning more about what Thailand has to offer and all its grace and beauty.
So I'm here with Ning. How much does it cost to enter for admission here?
The admission price is 500 baht each person. The operation time is start from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the daytime, and you can visit at the night time. It's more like a private and more
beautiful,
peaceful, because there are no construction at the night. The night time you pay 200 baht more, 700 baht each.
So well worth it though to come at night because of the lights and the construction.
Yes, and the atmosphere, the vibe is more cool and more peaceful.
Is there a clothing requirement here when visiting this temple?
Yes, you will find that you need to dress appropriately, because inside the building at the central hall there inside Buddha relics.
Here guys, you want to make sure that all your skin is covered, is that right?
No, just cover the knees and look.
Just the knees?
Look appropriately.
Okay, got it.
It's free to borrow. You just pay 200 baht for deposit only. But if you would like to buy the new one, you have at the souvenir shop.
Got it. Okay. Well, thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
time. I appreciate it. We look forward to
this.
this.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. Enjoy your visit. Thank you. Bye.
We're excited. So come along. Let's experience this new adventure together here.
Wow.
What do you think?
Magical, really. I was just,
The green and the brown wood and the backdrop of the ocean is just surreal, guys. So beautiful.
So
Look at
gorgeous.
that.
So beautiful.
So are you glad you're here?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh,
So
right?
blessed. So blessed.
So grateful and thankful, right?
Yes.
So they were saying earlier, if we do see a nail, it would be only temporary because it's to hold the glue together for the complete wood structure. This whole structure is made from wood on wood and glue. That's it. Wood glue. Crazy. Hello. I need long pants. Here's my deposit.
Please, only one, please.
Only one.
Okay, I don't take money deposit 1,000.
Okay.
Okay, you come back, I return 1,000.
Okay. You can come back, get your 1,000.
Okay, sign here. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This one is at the back.
At the back?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm not sure this is gonna fit. Look how big that thing is. That's like two of me.
It's adjustable.
What?
Adjustable.
Let's give it a whirl here. Adjustable. Let's see.
There you go.
Okay, what do you think?
Pull the string.
How about that?
Perfect. Now you're covering your knees, which is respectful.
Oh my God, right? I look cartoon character. Look at me. What do you think? Booyah!
There you go.
Okay. Okay.
Ready.
Okay, perfect. Let's go. In the sanctuary, you'll find wooden statues and intricately carved pieces conveying life's philosophies. Crafted during its era, the artwork showcases remarkable skill and embodies countless hours of dedication, kindness, and enduring sacrifice and significance. We stepped into the courtyard, we were overtaken by the positive vibration and energy and the blessings that being here represented. And we just had to take a moment and take it all in.
The world. But there is one thing we can do. What can we change? Ourselves. Impossible it seems. It can happen for as long as it starts with ourselves.
Yes.
Otherwise, if we don't, we cannot expect good people to surround us and treat us good as well. I hope and pray that as you leave this place, your hearts will be filled with joy and peace, and that you will have the courage to continue to make a difference in this world. Once again, my name is
Camelia.
Thank you, everyone. I hope to see you again. Till we meet again. God bless you all.
God bless you. Thank you.
God bless you all.
God bless. Thank you, Camelia.
Nice to have both of you here. I wish to see you again next time. Thank you so much.
Blessings.
Thank you so much. You can
Bless.
go around and take photos until.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing.